Seafood Kitchen Creations. Oceanic Delights, a seafood symphony for your palate. Dive into the world of seafood cooking and unlock the secrets to preparing delectable dishes that capture the essence of the ocean. From succulent shrimp to flaky fish, this guide will help you navigate the vast and delicious world of seafood. 10 tips for delicious seafood cooking. Fresh is best, opt for the freshest seafood available. Whether you're at the coast or inland, choose high-quality, sustainably sourced seafood for the best flavor and texture. Understanding varieties, familiarize yourself with different types of seafood. From shellfish like crab and lobster to various fish species, each requires unique cooking methods to highlight its natural flavors. Perfecting the sear, achieve a perfect sear on fish fillets and seafood with a hot pan. This technique enhances flavor and creates a delightful texture on the outside while keeping the inside tender. Grilling greatness, experiment with grilling seafood to impart a smoky flavor. Use marinades and rubs to enhance the taste, and don't forget to try grilling whole fish for a stunning presentation. Mastering the art of steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that preserves the delicate flavors of seafood. Explore various steaming techniques, from simple to elaborate, for a healthy and flavorful outcome. Sauce sophistication, elevate your seafood with flavorful sauces. Explore classics like lemon butter, garlic herb, or experiment with international flavors like Thai coconut curry or Mediterranean tomato salsa. Ceviche sensations, delight in the refreshing taste of ceviche. Learn how to marinate raw seafood in citrus juices for a vibrant dish that's perfect for warm weather. Shellfish showdown, whether it's mussels, clams, or scallops, perfecting the art of cooking shellfish is a seafood cooking essential. Master the timing to achieve a delicate balance between tenderness and flavor. Baking brilliance, experiment with baking seafood for a hands-off cooking approach. Encase fish fillets in parchment paper with herbs and vegetables for a moist and flavorful result. Balancing flavors, pay attention to the balance of flavors. Seafood's natural sweetness pairs well with acidity, so consider adding citrus, vinegar, or wine to your dishes for a well-rounded taste. Indulge your senses and embark on a culinary voyage with the enchanting world of seafood. From the briny depths of the ocean to the sizzling pans of your kitchen, let the symphony of flavors and textures captivate your palate. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, the magic of seafood cooking lies in its ability to transport you to coastal realms with each savory bite. So, don your apron, sharpen those knives, and dive into the unparalleled pleasure of creating seafood masterpieces. Whether you're grilling, baking, or steaming, every technique unfolds a tale of the sea on your plate. Share the joy with loved ones, creating moments that linger as sweet as the salt-kissed breeze. May your seafood endeavors be a celebration of the ocean's bounty and a testament to your culinary prowess. Bon appetit, and may your seafood creations bring waves of delight to your dining table.
Show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.